Okay, morning students. Very good morning. Hope you people are keeping well in your home. सारे बच्चे इस चीज का ध्यान उत्सव राठौर are you कुछ प्रॉब्लम है बेटा नहीं ना Can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A very good morning to everybody. Those who are in the class. Again, a reminder. जो भी क्लास एंटर हो रहे हैं इस चीज का ध्यान रखें कि अपने आप को म्यूटेड रखें, वीडियोस ऑन रखें और ट्राई टू कनेक्ट बी इन द क्लास बिट फास्ट है ना जो आपका टाइम शेड्यूल है बिकॉज ये आपकी ऑफलाइन क्लास तो है नहीं कि मैंने किसी और को रोके रखना है कि मैम 2 मिनट का समय मुझे और दे दीजिए वी आर इन द ऑनलाइन क्लास और आपके शेड्यूल जैसे ही खत्म होंगे टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर म्यूट कर बच्चे ओके तो टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर हमारा क्लास खत्म हो जाएगा एंड विल नॉट बी हैविंग द will not be using utilizing the proper time okay तो बच्चे इस चीज का ध्यान रखें कि you have to be in the class within the stipulated time जो आपका टाइमिंग है उस टाइम में ज्वाइन करो okay तो लास्ट जो क्लास था we had finished the value based even है ना हम लोगों ने वैल्यू बेस्ड भी कर लिया सो आवर कोर्स इज फिनिश्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो हम लोग क्लास में ऑफलाइन क्लास में कर चुके थे वैल्यू बेस्ड हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम किया है सो टुडे वी वर सपोज्ड टू स्टार्ट द रिवीजन ऑफ फ्रॉम हाफ ईयरली ऑनवर्ड्स मींस हाफ ईयरली के बाद जो हमारी पढ़ाई एनुअल के लिए हुई है हमें उनका रिवीजन शुरू करना था तो टुडे विल स्टार्ट द रिवीजन ऑफ लेसन 8 प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर एम आई राइट लेसन 8 इज योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर आफ्टर हाफ ईयरली सही है शान अब्दुल्ला do you agree with it
Yes, ma'am.
okay so this is the first chapter after half yearly so we'll be doing the revision now tell me one thing 5B and 5C both शान म्यूट कर लो अपने आप शानवीराज वीडियोस ऑन करो फटाफट सारे बच्चे वीडियोस ऑन करो लेट मी सी इन द गैलरी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर विदाउट वीडियो जो वीडियो ऑफ है उनकी वो वेटिंग लिस्ट में वापस चल जाएंगे जल्दी से वीडियो ऑन कीजिए okay so nobody is going to purchase any new copy सबकी कॉपीज में अभी पेजेस बची हुई हैं है ना सबकी कॉपीज में you have got some leftover pages we'll do the revision in that only है ना we'll do the revision in that so lesson 8 was properties of water properties of water when we talk about properties of water in this lesson we had studied about solution how do you get a solution if a substance gets dissolved in water we get a solution if it doesn't what will happen to it अगर कोई सब्सटेंस पानी में हम डिसॉल्व करते हैं तो वो सोल्यूशन बनाता है अगर वो डिसॉल्व नहीं होता तो हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं वी कॉल देम इनसॉल्युबल अगर वो इनसॉल्युबल है तो फिर दो बातें होती हैं कि क्या वो सिंक करता है क्या वो फ्लोट करता है अगर वो सब्सटेंस उनकी डेंसिटी उसका वेट वाटर से ज्यादा होगा तो इट विल सिंक इनटू वाटर और अगर इफ इट इज लाइटर देन वाटर इट विल फ्लोट ऑन इट हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा है ना am I right आर्य मित्तल हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा है कि we have got 3 types of substance solid liquid and gas and these substances get mixed and form a solution if it get mixed and dissolved if it get dissolved we get a solution and if it doesn't dissolve it becomes insoluble substance and if it is heavier than water it will sink into it and if it is lighter than water it will float on it है ना सही है okay now हम एक बार रिवाइज कर रहे हैं इस लेसन का एक शॉर्ट एंड क्विक रिकैप कर रहे हैं सो इन लेसन में हम लोगों ने ये देखा soluble substance insoluble substance जैसे कि इसका एक एग्जांपल इस पे दिया हुआ है कि इन समर सीजन वी ट्राई टू मेक नींबू पानी एंड ऑल वंशिका शर्मा इज देयर ओके वंशिका इन समर सीजन जनरली आप जब स्कूल भी आते थे तो आपके पेरेंट्स आपके ग्लूकोज या फिर नींबू पानी बना के देते थे बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी इन दैट नींबू पानी व्हाटएवर वाज मेड बाय योर मदर वी हैड द मेन substance was water that is what is water in other words we call it water is what Vanshika you are unmuted बताओ water क्या है
Yes, Ma'am, water is the solvent.
Okay, water is a solvent, and into it we add lemon juice, we add sugar, and we add salt. They are said to be the solute. Okay, and where they get dissolved into water and form a mixture called नींबू पानी, we call that solution, isn't it? सही है वंशिका?
Yes, ma'am.
कहीं मैंने कोई गलती बोली?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, thank you. So the नींबू पानी which we got is a solution. ये एक solution है और इसमें क्या mixture है? It has got a solute and it has got 3 solute and 1 solvent. The solvent is a substance in which the solute get dissolved into it. ध्यान रखना है. Solvent are the substance in which solute get dissolved into it. Sugar and salt. These are those substances which are soluble in water. जो पानी में soluble है. हम उसको अगर मिलाते हैं, it gets dissolved into it. It disappears. Disappear in the sense, sorry, disappear in the sense it got dissolved into it. अगर हमने उसकी जगह पे, sugar की जगह पे, अगर हमने sand use किया होता, तो what would have happened? आप unmuted है वंशिका, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, sand is insoluble in water, so it will not dissolve.
What will happen to it then?
Ma'am, it will not dissolve in water.
Acha, it will not dissolve in water. That agreed. Then what will happen to the sand?
Ma'am, it will sink to the bottom.
Exactly, it will sink into water. Bhumi is there. Now, Bhumi, Vanshika gave the answer that if we stir the water in which the sand is there, what will happen to it? It will sink into water. Why does the sand sink into the water? Unmuted. You're unmuted. Bull.
Yes, ma'am. Question repeat.
Why do the sand sink into water? I've taken a glass of water and a spoonful of sand. I've stirred it into the water, and Vanshika said it will sink into water. Why does it sink into water? Anybody else who wants to give the answer? Utsav has raised his hand. Aditya Naman, do you want to give? Why does the water sink in? Why does the sand sink in water? Aditya Naman, you are unmuted. Bolu? Shanvi Raj, Bolu.
Yes, ma'am, because sand is heavier than water.
Okay, first reason was given by Shanvi, Vanshika. That was right reason. She said it doesn't dissolve in water. It is insoluble in water. That is why it sinks. And Shanvi gave again the right answer. Yes, since it is heavier than water, it sinks into water. तो इस लेसन में हम लोगों ने 3 चीजें पढ़ने थे. पहला है soluble, insoluble. तो क्या हर सब्सटेंस soluble होता है? क्या हर सब्सटेंस insoluble?
No, ma'am.
तो सॉलिड में भी हमारे सब्सटेंस के 3 फॉर्म्स हम पढ़ते हैं, जिसमें सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस हैं. There are certain solid which dissolves in water. There are certain solid which does not dissolve in water. There are certain liquid, liquid में dissolve कर ही जाता होगा, हम जानते हैं. But no, there are certain liquid which doesn't dissolve in water. We give some example of liquids which does not dissolve in water.
Ma'am, mustard oil.
Vanshika, let others also give the answer. Raise your hand. Give me the example of some liquid which does not dissolve in water. Priyesh has raised his hand. Utsav has raised his hand. Kartik Sana raised his hand. Very good. Ridhima, Roshni, very good. Chalo. I can see many of the hands being raised. Very good. So Kartik, give this answer. Can you name 2 liquids which does not dissolve in water?
Yes, ma'am. 2 liquid that does not dissolve in water are petrol and mustard oil.
Okay, petrol and mustard oil, they being heavier than water, lighter than water, they float on it. Okay, all right. Can you name the gases which get dissolved in water? कार्तिक म्यूट कर लेंगे अपने आप को. एक रिक्वेस्ट है सारे बच्चों से, सॉरी, एक रिक्वेस्ट है सारे बच्चों से, After giving the answer, if I've unmuted you, after giving the answer, make it a practice to mute yourself. Okay? Chalo. Who will give this answer? Can you name the gases which are soluble in water? Utsav.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name it?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Question was, name the gases which get dissolved in water.
Ma'am, oxygen.
Okay.
Ma'am, oxygen.
Okay. Can you name a gas which does not dissolve in water? Satyam Singh.
Ma'am, carbon tetrachloride.
Name a gas which does not dissolve in water.
Ma'am, carbon tetrachloride.
Priyesh.
Ma'am, nitrogen gas.
It is the nitrogen.
Ma'am, nitrogen gas.
It is the nitrogen which does not dissolves in water. Okay. Next, there are three terms which are to be discussed. That is, physical state of matter means how does it changes from solid to liquid, liquid to gas. You have studied in class 1, 2, and 3 also that we have how does it change and what are the processes called. The process are evaporation, condensation. Hai na? So, who is going to tell me something about evaporation? What is evaporation? Akshat, what is evaporation?
Evaporation is the process in which water converts into its vapor form.
On how does it changes into vapor form? Bolo, Akshat, how does it change into its vapor form? अपने आप मोहित रंजन बोलो अनम्यूट करो फिर बोलोगे Shan Abdullah, how does the water change into its vapor form?
Ma'am, due to the heat of sun.
Okay. Due to the heat of sun.
Heat of sun.
Okay. Next. What is Kritika saying? What is condensation? What is condensation? Unmute karo Kritika. You are. I have given you permission to unmute yourself. Unmute karo. What is condensation? क्या हो गया कंडेंसेशन बोल आपने अनम्यूट किया फिर अब जवाब नहीं दे रहे नियति मोहिनी बोलो
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो
Condensation is the process on change on its vapor form of a substance into its liquid form on cooling.
Okay. The process in which the substance changes into its liquid form on cooling from its vapor form is called condensation. Okay. Now, can you take out your copy, everybody? Can you take out your copy? All of you? Take out your copy. Take out your copy. Everybody. We'll do something writing work. Chalo. Take out your copy. and give a heading. Give a heading to it. ले लिया copy, Anusha? Should I start? Anusha, should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. चलो म्यूट कर ले बेटा. Write the heading. Write along with me so that you don't get confused with the spelling. I'm going to write the question for you people. हम इसका आंसर भी तुरंत इसी क्लास में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, तो आप क्वेश्चन आंसर दोनों फटाफट लिखेंगे. ठीक है? ओके. ऊपर लिख लो हेडिंग. हेडिंग लिखो रिवीजन. Answer in one word. Answer in or name the following. That will be better. You write down name the following. कोई डिस्कशन नहीं होगा. आपको जैसे मैं बताती चली जाऊंगी, आप आंसर साथ में लिखेंगे, so that after completion of this question format, I shall be asking the answers to you, or you just get it, check your answer, what answer you have written. ठीक है? First question. Name the following two solids that gets dissolved in water. Number two. You have to name two solids that get dissolved in water. Number two. Again, two solids that float on water. Next, number 10. Two liquid that float on water. Fourth, a gas that does not dissolve in water. कहीं दिक्कत होती जाएगी तो मुझे बताएंगे. आदित्य नमन, कोई प्रॉब्लम में आता?
No, ma'am.
आपको बोर्ड क्लियर दिख रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 5th. Sugar, comma, salt and lemon juice are dash in the are the examples of dash in the नींबू पानी. What are they? The sugar, salt and lemon juice are the examples of dash in नींबू पानी. समझ में आया इसका आंसर क्या होगा?
Yes, ma'am.
बताना
Yes,
नहीं है अभी?
ma'am.
अभी नहीं बताना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Name the process that involves change of liquid into water on heating. Many of you are raising hand. Good, but no need to raise hand. हम ये आंसर क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद I shall be discussing the answers also. So those whosoever will be giving the right answer or will be getting the full marks, they will be given something. Just see what are they going to be given. Okay. Mixture formed, and it's my request to all of you not to consult your book, है ना? Mixture formed when a substance dissolves completely in water. What do we call that mixture? Mixture formed when a substance dissolves completely in water. Question number 8. The medium in which कोई बात नहीं, कहीं से आवाज आ रही. कौन म्यूटेड है? अनम्यूटेड है उसको म्यूट कर लो. आदित्य नमन शायद अनम्यूटेड है. आदित्य म्यूट कर ले बेटा. The medium in which a substance is dissolved to form a solution. बहुत बच्चे हाथ उठा रहे हैं. थैंक यू बच्चा लोग दैट यू हैव लर्नड, बट 1 मिनट के लिए समय दे दो मुझे ताकि सारे बच्चे इसका आंसर हम लोग संग संग करें, है ना? द मीडियम इन विच सबस्टेंस डिसॉल्व टू फॉर्म अ सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट मीडियम? नंबर 9. बस 2 क्वेश्चन और देन वी विल बी बैक टू योर क्लास. 9. भूमि क्या हो गया? Why you looking like this? क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
मैम पता नहीं मेरी स्क्रीन पे कुछ आ गया था.
हुई क्या आ गया था?
पता नहीं मैम, अभी ठीक है मैम.
मुझे लगा मुझे आपको क्या दिख गया. सॉल्यूशन इसमें कुछ आ गया था. ओके चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Sugar अरे कहाँ चला गया कर्सर मेरा? ओके, sugar and salt are in water. And the last one, is the process similar to evaporation. Dash is a process similar to evaporation. In this in this in this process, in this process there is loss of water from the parts of plant. इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और हिंट देते हैं. It adds to the amount of water vapor present in air. In the air. ओके, और इसका हेडिंग थोड़ा चेंज कर देते हैं हम लोग. नेम्स अच्छा कर लेते हैं. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग, दैट विल बी मोर बेटर. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग आप उसको कर सकते हैं, सिंस यू आर राइटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग. हो गया? क्वेश्चन लिख लिया सब लोगों ने? चलो, हमारे पास समय थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है, सो आई एम गिविंग यू 5 minutes, नॉट 5 minutes, लेस देन 5 minutes, 4 minutes टू कंप्लीट इट, बिकॉज हम तो धीरे धीरे आपके साथ ही लिख रहे थे, तो आप भी आंसर लिख ही लिए होंगे. थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे. इफ यू कंप्लीट, यू गिव अ थम्स अप कि मैम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड. श्रेया आंसर बुक से ढूंढ रही है, मुझे दिख रहा है. नहीं श्रेया, अभी मैंने पहले ही कहा था, यू विल नॉट कंसल्ट द बुक फॉर इट. सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ हैंड्स आई कैन सी. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished. It's a finished.
What? No, ma'am, not yet.
जल्दी जल्दी, make it fast. Because हमारे बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग भी शुरू हो गए, तो हमें कंप्लीट भी करना है. Let's see. We have got 7 minutes time. So within this 7 minutes we have to finish it. इसीलिए मैं कहती हूँ आप लोगों को कि try to join the class in the fixed time, because 40 minutes का समय हमें ये मिलता है, और हमारा शुरू का 5-7 मिनट आपको ज्वाइन करवाने में चला जाता है. तो मेक इट अ हैबिट टू ज्वाइन द क्लास. आपको ब्रेक तो भी बहुत अच्छा खासा मिल रहा है. यू गेटिंग ब्रेक ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 minutes, नॉट 10 minutes, रादर 20 minutes. तो आप एक क्लास के बाद 20 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद तुरंत ज्वाइन कर ले. ओके, शुड आई स्टार्ट? ओके, वंशिका इज फिनिश्ड. वेरी गुड. द वेरी फर्स्ट आंसर, वंशिका, गिव द आंसर.
Ma'am, salt and sugar.
You have to name two solids that get dissolved in water. Yeah, it is right. It is salt and sugar. So check your answer with whatever you have written. सारे बच्चे check कर लेंगे अपने answers को. It should be salt, sugar. It can be salt and sugar. It can be something else also. Can it be something else? Solid? Milk powder. It's solid form. If you want, you can write that also. So it is salt and sugar. Can you see the answer which I am writing on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number second. Utsav has yet not finished, so he will not be given the chance. Those who have finished. Aman Kumar, Aditya Naman. Chalo. Number 2. What is number 2? Two solids that float on water.
Ma'am, cork and hair.
Cork and hair, okay? It can be cork, hair, anything else? Thermocol. Generally बच्चे thermocol लिखते हैं, है ना? Butter paper, है ना? So if you have written any of these, it is right. Next. Next, who wants to give the answer? Raise your hand. Anusha, third one. The liquid that floats on water.
Ma'am, the two liquids that floats on water are mustard oil and petrol.
Okay, mustard oil, hair oil, petrol. Okay. Next, a gas, Roshni, a gas that does not dissolve in water. Unmute karo Roshni.
Ma'am, nitrogen.
It is nitrogen, right?
Nitrogen gas.
Exactly. Number fifth, mute kijiye Roshni. Sugar and salt and lemon juice are dash in Nimbu Pani. Rayansh, give it. What is it? What are they called?
Ma'am, solution.
No. They all are what? Examples of. Solution to Nimbu Pani tha. But sugar, salt and lemon juice, they are solute. Am I right? Bhumi? सही है? क्या सही है? Solute?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Name the process that involves change of liquid into water. Bhumi, give this answer.
Ma'am, evaporation.
It is evaporation, right? Check your answer, everybody. Now next. Niyati Mohini. Ask this question. Name the mixture formed when the solution dissolves completely in water. What do we call that solution? What do we call the substance? Mixture. Sorry, I gave the answer only. Sorry. It was solution. Mixtures formed when the substance dissolves completely. So, Niyati, since I have given you the answer, आप दूसरा का आंसर बताएं. The medium in which substance dissolves. बताओ क्या है वो आंसर?
Ma'am, solvent.
It is solvent, right? It is solvent. Okay, next. Sugar and salt are dash in water. नियति अपने आप को म्यूट करो. नियति म्यूट करो. I have to ask somebody who has not given any of the answers. Okay. Aditya Raj Singh. Sugar and salt are dash in water.
Ma'am, soluble.
They are soluble in water. Okay. Name the process similar to evaporation. Kshitij Singh. Kshitij Singh, unmute yourself and give this answer. The process that is similar to evaporation. What is that process? In this process, there is a loss of water from the parts of plant, which also adds to the amount of water vapor present in air. What do we call that process? Kshitij, unmute करके बताओ answer क्या होगा?
Condensation, ma'am.
अच्छा, condensation is equal to evaporation. आप आंसर देने के बाद सोचते नहीं है ना? उत्सव क्या है आंसर बोलो?
Ma'am, transpiration.
Vanshika, is Utsav right?
Ma'am, transpiration.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of
Yes,
you
ma'am,
agree
he
with
is right.
how many of you agree with Utsav? Yeah, he has given the right answer. Naman, Aman, क्या वो आंसर सही है?
Yes, ma'am, the answer is right. The
Okay,
answer should be transpiration.
good, very good. The answer should be transpiration. It is transpiration. Okay, now you can see the answers along with the question. It's on the screen only. Now, I'm getting back to my class. Now tell me how many of you have got 10 on 10? How many of you have got 10 on 10?
मैम
Virtually,
क्वेश्चन 5 का आंसर क्या होगा?
Bolu,
मैम क्वेश्चन 5 का आंसर क्या होगा?
क्यों क्वेश्चन 5 मैंने नहीं बताया आपको?
मैम 5
5 क्या था?
मैम
Solute.
सैल्यूट होगा.
Solute.
ओके, सॉल्यूट मैंने लिखा है सॉल्यूट. ओके,
यस मैम.